In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add promo code on Ticketmaster, 5 minutes. First, open your web browser and go to Ticketmaster's official website. Make sure you're on the legitimate site before proceeding. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so your tickets and any credits can be applied to your account smoothly. Next, browse for the event you want to attend. You can search by artist, team, venue, or date. When you find the event page, take a moment to confirm the date, venue, and start time so you're applying a code to the exact tickets you intend to buy. Now select your tickets. You can use filters like price range or section, or pick seats directly from the seat map if it's available for that event. Review the ticket details, including any delivery method and fees displayed, then continue toward checkout. On the checkout screen, head to the payment section. This is where Ticketmaster lets you enter price adjustments like credits, promo codes, or gift cards. Locate the option labeled Add Credits of Promo Codes, Gift Cards, and click it to reveal the entry field. Enter your promo code exactly as it appears. Promo codes can be case sensitive and often include numbers, letters, or hyphens, so type it carefully and avoid extra spaces. If you're copy pasting, double check that no blank spaces slipped in at the start or end. Click Apply. After a moment, you should see the discount reflected in your order summary. Look for a confirmation message and make sure the new total shows the correct reduction. If the discount doesn't appear, verify that the code is valid for this specific event, date, and ticket type. Some codes only work for certain sections, price levels, or dates, and many have expiration dates or usage limits. Also note that most codes cannot be combined with other offers or credits, and usually won't apply to taxes, fees, or add-ons. If you get an error, try re-entering the code character by character, check for typos, and confirm any terms listed where you received the code. In some cases, codes are region-specific or limited to participating events, so it's worth confirming eligibility before you proceed. Once the code is applied and the discount is visible, review your totals carefully. Make sure the number of tickets, seating details, and final price all look right. That's all it takes to add a promo code on Ticketmaster. Thanks for watching and enjoy the event.